Non-violence is increasingly recognized in today's world. Gandhiji said, non-violence is a weapon for the strong.
Gandhiji is always taken as the epitome of non-violence. And today, I give you one of his own quotes. A coward is incapable of exhibiting love. It is the prerogative of the brave.
Strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable will.
Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever.
Your beliefs become your thoughts. Your thoughts become your words. Your words become your actions. Your actions become your values. Your values become your destiny. Yes, the power of Gandhi's words still inspires us.
First they ignore you, then they laugh at you, then they fight you, and then you win.
Be the change you wish to see in the world.
Morality is the basis of things, but truth is the substance of all morality. Gandhi's words.
Nobody can hurt me without my permission.
Nothing is so aggravating as calmness.
A man is but a product of his thoughts. What he thinks, he becomes.
नमस्कार। गांधी जी के अनमोल विचार। खुद वो बदलाव बनिए जो आप समाज में देखना चाहते हैं।
The quote of Mahatma Gandhi that inspired me a lot is, if I have the belief that I can do it,
I shall surely acquire the capacity to do it, even I may not have it at the beginning.
Whatever you do will be insignificant, but it is very important that you do it.
Happiness is when what you think, what you say, what you do are in harmony.
Father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi said that where there is love, there is life.
You must be the change that you want to see in the world.
Humanity is like an ocean. If the few drops of ocean are dirty, the ocean not become dirty.
This is one of my favorite quote from Mahatma Gandhi. The future depends on what we do in the present.
An eye for an eye ends up in making the whole world blind.
It is the action that is important, not the fruit of the actions. You just have to do the right things. It might not be your power, it might not be your time that the fruit will come. But when you don't stop doing the right thing, definitely the fruit will come one day. But if you do the right things, if you don't do the right thing, then you have no results.
The future depends on what you do today.
In a gentle way, you can shake the world.
മാന്യമായ രീതിയിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ ലോകത്തെ തന്നെ പ്രകമ്പനം കൊള്ളിക്കാൻ സാധിക്കും.
ഓരോ വീടും ഓരോ വിദ്യാലയമാണ്. മാതാപിതാക്കൾ അധ്യാപകരും.
An eye for an eye only ends making the whole world blind.
Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony.
Truth stands. Even if there be no public support, it is self-sustained.
The greatness of humanity is not in being human, but in being humane. I'm getting reminded of this big saying of Mahatma Gandhi.
Nothing is so aggravating as calmness.
Bharat Mata ki Jai. Dream it. Dream bigger. Push yourself because no one is going to do it for you. The harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it.
In a gentle way, you can shake the world.
What is really needed to make a democracy function is not knowledge of facts, but right education. Education is very, very important. We must follow that.
The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others.
Be the change you want to see in the world.
The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others.
Purity of personal life is the one indispensable condition for building up a sound education.
സൂര്യനസ്തമിക്കാത്ത സാമ്രാജ്യ ദുശക്തിയെ കാതിനൂലിനാൽ തളച്ചവനാവാം ഗാന്ധി. സോദര രക്തം പാനം ചെയ്തും ചീർക്കുവാൻ പോരും ഭീകര മതഭ്രാന്തിൻ
ഔഷധമാവാം ഗാന്ധി. മാനവകുലത്തോടു കയർത്ത് സ്വർലോകത്തും ഉണ്ണാതിരിക്കുന്ന പിണങ്ങുണ്ണിയാവാം ഗാന്ധി. അതെ, ഗാന്ധിജിയെക്കുറിച്ച് ഓർക്കുമ്പോൾ കവി ശ്രീ റഫീഖ് അഹമ്മദിൻ്റെ ഈ വരികളാണ് എനിക്ക് ഓർമ്മ വരുന്നത്. മാനവകുലത്തോട് കയർത്ത് സ്വർലോകത്ത് അദ്ദേഹം ഇപ്പോഴും ഉണ്ണാതിരിക്കുക തന്നെ ആയിരിക്കും. നന്ദി.